Good morning, Rijal. Please have a seat.
Good morning, Mr. Momar. Thank you very much. It's a pleasure to be here.
The pleasure is mine. How are you doing today?
I'm doing great, thank you. I'm a little nervous, but mostly excited for this opportunity.
That's completely normal. Don't worry, let's just have friendly conversation. Could you start by introducing myself?
Of course, my name is Muhammad Rigalwa, and I am 20 years old, and I graduate from the University of Indonesia with a degree in computer science. After graduating, I worked for 2 years at a tech startup in Jakarta focusing on software development and web application. I am passionate about technology and problem solving.
That's good to hear. What made you interested in applying for this position in our company?
I have been following your company's project for a while, especially your recent AI-based system for data management. I really admire how your company integrates innovation with social impact. I believe joining your team will allow me to learn from experienced professionals and contribute my own skill in software development and project management.
Excellent. Can you tell me about the specific project you've worked on that you're particularly proud of?
Currently, at my previous company, I led a small team that developed a mobile app to help small business track their inventory and sales. We designed it using Flutter and Firebase, and within 6 months, it was adopted by over 100 local stores. It helped them reduce manual work and improve efficiency by around for 20%. I learned a lot about teamwork and time management during the project.
That's impressive. How did you handle challenge or conflicts with your team?
Well, communication is a key. There were times when we had different opinions about design choice, but I always try to listen to everyone's point of view and find a compromise that works best for the project. I believe that good teamwork demands and respect and open discussion.
I completely agree. How do you usually manage your time when you have multiple tasks or tight deadlines?
I usually start by creating a to-do list and ranking the tasks based on their urgency and importance. I also use tools like Trello or Notion to stay organized. When deadlines are tight, I try to focus on things at a time instead of multitasking. And I make sure to communicate with my teammates so we can support each other.
Sounds very organized. What would you say are your strengths and weaknesses?
My main strength is that I'm fast learner and very adaptable to new environments. I also enjoy collaborating with others to solve problems. As for my weakness, sometimes I focus too much on small details, which can slow me down, but I have been learning to balance quality with efficiency.
That's a good balance to work on. Where do you see yourself in the next 5 years?
In the next 5 years, I hope to become a senior developer of the project leader. I want to continue improving my technical and leadership skills and hopefully contribute to developing innovative solutions that make a positive impact.
Great answer. Our company values people who are eager to grow. How do you usually keep your skill up to date?
I often take online courses on platforms like Coursera or Udemy. I also like to read, teach blogs, and join programming communities. Learning from the other developers' experience really helps me stay updated with the new technologies.
That's very proactive approach. Before we wrap up, do you have any question for me?
Yes, I do. Could you tell me more about the kind of project your development team is currently working on?
Sure. Right now, our team is developing a new AI-powered analytic platform for business clients. The goal is to help companies process large amount of data more efficiently. If you join us, you'll be working closely with our AI and data engineering departments.
That sounds fascinating. It's exactly the kind of project I love to be involved in.
I'm glad to hear that. Well, thank you very much for coming today. Rizal, we'll review your interview and get back to you within a week.
Thank you, Mr. Mamar. I really appreciate the opportunity and your time today.
You're welcome. It was a pleasure talking with you. Have a great day, Rizal.
You too, sir. Goodbye. Good morning, Mr. Mamar. Please have a seat.
Good morning, Mr. Rizal. Thank you very much. It's a pleasure to meet you.
Likewise, how are you today?
I'm doing great. Thank you. I'm really excited to be here and to have the opportunity to talk about the position.
That's great. Let's start with a brief introduction. Could you please tell me about yourself?
Sure. My name is Muhammad. I am 27 years old and I graduated from Erlangga University with a degree in business administration. For the past 3 years, I've been working as a marketing executive at a retail company where I handle digital campaign and brand promotion strategies.
Sounds interesting. Why did you decide to apply for the marketing officer position in our company?
I've been following your company's work for some time. I'm impressed by your innovative approach to product branding and customer engagement. I believe this position would allow me to apply my marketing experience while also learning new strategies in a more dynamic environment.
That's a good reason. What do you think are the key skills a successful marketing officer should have?
I think creativity, communication, and data analysis are essential. A marketing officer needs to create appealing ideas, communicate them efficiently, and evaluate the results using data to understand what works best.
Well said. Could you describe a marketing campaign you have managed in your previous job?
Sure, last year I led a digital campaign for a new product launch. We used a combination of social media advertising, influencer partnership, and email marketing. Within 3 months, the campaign increased product awareness by 16% and sales by 13%. It was a challenging but rewarding experience.
What would you say is your biggest strength and weakness?
My biggest strength is my creativity and adaptability. I enjoy finding new ways to solve problems. As for my weakness, I sometimes take on too many responsibilities at once. But I've been learning to delegate better and manage my time more efficiently.
What motivates you the most at work?
I'm motivated by seeing the impact of my work. When a campaign I help design actually increase sales or improve on brand image, it feels great to know that my effort make a difference.
I like that attitude. You have be working with a team of 6 people, focusing on both digital and offline marketing.
That sounds exciting. I'd love to contribute to that.
I'm glad to hear that. Well, thank you, Mr. Muammar, for coming today. We will contact you within a week after reviewing all candidates.
Thank you very much, Mr. Rijal. I appreciate your time and consideration.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
You too, sir. Goodbye.